Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Okay, in this video we'll solve this equation. We have 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of minus x equal to, and the problem 12 to the power of x equal, what's the value of 12 to the power of x? Okay, for first step, 2 to the power of x plus 2 to the power of minus x equal to. Okay, for 2 to the power of minus x, okay, we can write 1 over 2 to the power of x, okay, and equal to. Okay, from this, let the 2 to the power of x is equal a. Okay, so we can write this a plus 1 over a equal to. Okay, to get, and both side you can multiply by a. Okay, a to the power times a plus 1 over a times a equal 2 times a times a equal a to the power of 2 plus 1 equal to a, and a to the power of 2 to a or minus 2a plus 1 equal 0. Okay, from this we have factor from a to the power of 2 minus 2a plus 1 is a minus 1 square equals 0. So we have a minus 1 equal 0 and a equal 1. Okay, from this we have 2 to the power of x equal a, and a equal 1. So 2 to the power of x equal 1. Okay, so x equal 0. Okay, 2 power 0 equal 1, and the problem is 12 to the power of x. Okay, so 12 to the power of x equal 12 to the power of 0 is equal 1. Okay, so this answer. Okay, thank you for watching.